Hello, 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 and welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm your host, Mrs. M, on this video. And if you haven't, make sure you click below to subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on how to build your six-figure cleaning business and beyond. So today I am going to talk about something that I think we all need when we are looking to take on an endeavor like we are, which is building our business to six figures and beyond. And that is having our mindset right. So we're going to do a little motivation today on getting our mindset right. The reason why I thought about this, which I do on a regular basis, but last week I had a gentleman that I had actually been working with for the last, speaking to for the last couple of months, who has so much experience. He's a student of ours, and he has so much experience in cleaning. He's been cleaning for years. As he gets closer to going on his first walkthrough to get started in his own business, he let me know that he is absolutely petrified about what he's going to do wrong. He's thinking of all the things that could go wrong instead of the things that go right. So I thought today we're going to do 3 things that we can implement immediately to make ourselves have more confidence and actually help with the positive self-talk. So the first thing I want you to do is I want you to start using the hashtag small win. Anything you do that you go towards completing in that day for your business, I want you to put down small win. The goal is to have it somewhere visible where you can see it each and every day. So let's say you wanted to make a couple of phone calls for your business for appointment setting. Make sure that when you've completed it, I want you to put down small win. Hashtag small win. Use that throughout. What this is going to do is give you the confidence to see. Now, it can't just be anything, because that means you're just doing busy. I want you to be productive. So it's got to be something that's geared towards a goal within your business that you've talked about achieving. So we understand the only way we can really conquer larger goals is to put them into small bite-sized pieces. Daily, then we go with weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually. Once you get to the annual part, you've done so many things along the way, it doesn't seem like it was that big of a feat. That's the goal. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you do small wins, hashtag small win, have it on a whiteboard. You can get a whiteboard from Walmart for $12.99, one of those real large ones where you can see it. And if you don't have the room for a large one, then put a small one, but no excuses. Remember, this is the no excuse zone when you are on this channel. So now the first thing we're going to do is our small wins, small goals along the way, hashtag small win. The next thing we're going to do is make sure that we set something as far as a commitment to ourselves. Now let's commit to something that we say we're going to do every day at 12 o'clock. No matter what is going on, every day at noon or every day at 2, I want you to stick with what you said. That commitment to yourself builds about confidence that you know if you can commit to yourself, then you can commit to doing this walkthrough or commit to setting up this particular checklist. You need to understand that once you start to do small commitments within and to yourself and you follow through with them, it builds the confidence that, oh, if I did that, then what's the next thing I can accomplish? Then you accomplish another small item within the larger picture. You accomplish that and you say, oh, wow, what is the next thing I can accomplish? Now, the third piece to that is I want you to go to Walmart again or Target or somewhere, the dollar store, and get the color-coded sticky pads. As you do the small goals, I want you to cross through them. And then you're going to have, once again, my favorite thing, that whiteboard with the sticky color-coded little goals along the way. So make like green or yellow be Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, but little small goals across. And what you're doing is you're going to be able to see stair steps that you're completing. So they're going to be sticky, they're going to be color-coded, and then have each day have a color-coded with a small goal on it. So let's say you want to do 300 phone calls within a week. Now, then you break it down to how many you're going to do a day. And that's when we talk about our commitment. Every day from 10 to 2, I'm going to do these small goals. Then when you accomplish them, you're going to put hashtag small wins. So you've got your small wins because you've accomplished them. You've set the time frame on what you're going to do. And then you've got them on your whiteboard with the sticky color coded. So I'm going to do 10, 15, 20, whatever the amount is, it's going to get you to 300 or 200 or 100. And then you're going to scratch it off along the way. What is that going to do? You will be amazed. It's like a stair step, like little crumbs along the way. You've taken care of that. When you scratch it out, you see, oh my God, I've accomplished that. You've gone to the next one. Oh my goodness, I've accomplished that. So you've got 3 things going. And the 4th thing I'm going to throw in there is reward yourself. Whatever you've thought that you want, something small, and you say, once I reach this goal, I'm then going to reward myself with something that you enjoy outside of the business. Something, it could be a tool that you want to work in your yard. It could be something you like, a purse that you want. Whatever it is, reward yourself. You will start to see progress if you continue this cycle. I promise you. This is the very step that I use to build my 3 6-figure businesses, cleaning businesses, absolutely within that time frame that I said. One was done within 60 days following these certain steps. Now, this is the mindset part. If you want the tactics and the strategies, including the mindset, that means you've got the right tools and the right mindset together, then join me for my 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass. It's a live class where I go over the mindset piece along with the actual tactics and the strategies. You need all 3 to get to where you need to go to. So the strategies are more or less the large goal. The tactics are the things you do every day to get there. And the mindset is what pulls you along. You need all 3 of those in order to build that 6-figure cleaning business and beyond. So make sure you click the link below to register for my live 6-figure cleaning business blueprint masterclass, where I go over the exact method that I use, like I said, to build not 1, not 2, but 3 cleaning business from scratch. And one of them I was able to build within 60 days, 30K. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. We have a great time. It's interactive. And we have a small, limited amount of space because we make sure we answer each and every one of your questions. And it doesn't take more than about 60 minutes to go through all of that and to answer your questions. And the goal of the masterclass is to make sure you receive at least 1 actionable item that you could implement in your business immediately. So I'll see you then. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.